Welcome, and thanks for joining us for another episode of the 10-Minute Dental Marketing Podcast, a program dedicated to helping you grow your dental practice. In each episode, we'll discuss how you can improve your online presence and use the power of the internet to grow your practice.
Hey there, Tyson Downs here, owner of Titan Web Agency and the host of the 10-Minute Dental Marketing Podcast. And we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be having our AI tool read to you the audio version of the blog post. So if you're unable to get on the blog and read that, you'll be able to enjoy it, as you are right now through your favorite podcast app for the foreseeable future. If you have any feedback for us, send it over to us at tyson@titanwebagency.com. Enjoy.
Buying a dental practice is one of the most significant steps in a dentist's career. It's an exciting milestone, but also a complex process filled with potential legal pitfalls. From reviewing contracts to navigating licensing requirements, every step demands careful attention to detail. That's where an attorney becomes an invaluable ally. You may have landed on this post and are wondering how a dental attorney can help you buy a practice. In this post, we'll explore 9 compelling reasons for hiring an attorney when buying a dental practice. Whether you're concerned about safeguarding your investment or ensuring a smooth transition, this guide will show you why legal expertise is crucial. 1. Why legal expertise is crucial in dental office acquisitions. Buying a dental practice is no ordinary purchase. It's a multifaceted transaction involving contracts, regulations, and financial considerations unique to the dental industry. Without a knowledgeable attorney, you might overlook critical details that could jeopardize your investment. An attorney specializing in dental office acquisitions ensures every aspect of the transaction is reviewed thoroughly. From identifying potential liabilities to protecting your rights, legal expertise helps you confidently navigate this complex process. 2. Protecting your investment. Purchasing a dental office is a significant financial commitment. An attorney safeguards your investment by thoroughly investigating the practice's legal and financial standing. They'll ensure there are no outstanding debts, unresolved lawsuits, or undisclosed liabilities that could come back to haunt you after the purchase. For example, imagine buying a practice only to discover later that the seller failed to disclose unpaid taxes or building code violations. An attorney's due diligence helps you avoid such costly surprises. 3. Navigating the steps to buy a dental office. The process of buying a dental practice involves several critical steps, each requiring careful attention and legal oversight. Here's a deeper look at what each step entails. Preliminary research. The first step is identifying dental practices for sale that align with your professional goals and financial capacity. This includes assessing location, proximity to your target patient demographic, competition in the area, and patient accessibility. Evaluating practice size. Does the patient volume, office space, and staff size align with your vision? Reputation and goodwill. Researching the practice's local reputation and patient loyalty. Analyzing financials, estimating whether the practice's earnings can support the purchase price and your operational goals. An attorney can help you identify red flags early, such as pending lawsuits or financial inconsistencies that could complicate the purchase. 2. Due diligence. Due diligence is an in-depth investigation of the practice's financial, operational, and legal standing. Key areas include financial records, reviewing income statements, tax returns, and expense reports to ensure the practice is profitable. Patient records, examining patient demographics, retention rates, and treatment patterns while ensuring HIPAA compliance. Contracts and agreements, understanding any existing vendor contracts, equipment leases, or service agreements that will transfer with the sale. Legal standing, confirming the practice has no outstanding lawsuits, debts, or regulatory violations. Your attorney plays a critical role in uncovering potential liabilities and ensuring transparency from the seller. 3. Reviewing the office lease or purchasing real estate. The physical location of the practice is just as important as its operations. Whether you're inheriting a lease or purchasing the real estate outright, this step requires careful evaluation. Lease agreements. Attorneys ensure that the lease terms, such as rent, renewal options, and maintenance responsibilities, are favorable and sustainable. They'll also check for restrictions that could impact your ability to grow the practice. Real estate purchase. If you're buying the property, legal experts review the title for liens, encumbrances, or zoning issues. Regulatory compliance, verifying that the building complies with local regulations such as ADA requirements and that no pending violations exist. For example, an attorney might discover that a landlord's lease renewal clause heavily favors the landlord, allowing steep rent increases. Identifying and negotiating these terms early can save you significant costs and headaches later. IV, negotiation and purchase agreements. Negotiating the terms of sale is one of the most complex aspects of buying a dental practice. Key considerations include purchase price. The price must reflect the practice's value based on revenue, equipment condition, and patient base. Oftentimes, an attorney works closely with a CPA for a dental practice valuation. Assets included, clarifying which assets, e.g., dental equipment, patient lists, and intellectual property, are part of the deal. Payment terms, establishing a payment structure, whether through a lump sum, seller financing, or installment payments. Non-compete agreements. These agreements ensure that the seller cannot open a competing practice within a defined radius for a specified period. Attorneys are instrumental in drafting and negotiating the purchase agreement to protect your interests. They also ensure that all terms comply with legal standards and industry practices. Transition planning. Once the sale is complete, a smooth transition is essential to maintaining patient trust and operational continuity. Transition planning involves patient communication, developing a strategy to inform patients about the change in ownership while emphasizing continuity of care. Staff integration, reviewing staff contracts and integrating existing team members into your management style. Operational handover, ensuring a clear understanding of workflows, software systems, and supplier relationships. Licensing transfers, updating business licenses, permits, and professional credentials to reflect the new ownership. Attorneys assist in drafting agreements that clarify the seller's responsibilities during the transition, such as providing training or introductions to key contacts. Each of these steps involves legal complexities that could impact the success of your acquisition. Attorneys are invaluable in ensuring every phase of the process adheres to state and federal laws, aligns with your goals, and protects your investment. Number 4. Reviewing legal documents when purchasing a dental office. When it comes to legal documents, the devil is in the details. Purchase agreements, lease contracts, and non-compete clauses are just a few examples of the documents involved in buying a dental practice. Without proper legal review, these documents can contain unfavorable terms that could negatively impact your future. For instance, a poorly worded non-compete clause might allow the seller to open a competing practice just down the street. By working with an attorney, you ensure every clause is scrutinized and negotiated to protect your interests. There 5. Ensuring compliance with regulations. Starting and subsequently running a dental practice comes with a unique set of regulatory requirements. From licensing and permits to patient privacy laws like HIPAA, the legal landscape can be daunting. An attorney ensures that every aspect of the purchase complies with local, state, and federal laws. For example, they'll verify that the practice holds the necessary licenses and that all records meet legal standards. Without this oversight, you could face fines or operational delays after the sale. Number 6. Negotiating the terms of sale. The terms of sale in your purchase agreement can make or break the deal. Key terms, such as the purchase price, equipment inclusions, and timelines, require skilled negotiation to align with your interests. An attorney acts as your advocate during these discussions, ensuring the agreement is fair and enforceable. They also help navigate complex provisions such as seller financing, earn-outs, and non-compete agreements. 7. Handling employment contracts and staff transitions. In many cases, purchasing a dental office means inheriting the existing staff. While this can provide patient continuity, it also introduces potential legal challenges. To avoid disputes, it is critical to review employment contracts, benefits obligations, and termination clauses. An attorney will ensure that employment agreements are updated to reflect the new ownership and protect you from liability for previous management decisions. This step is essential for maintaining a positive relationship with your team and ensuring compliance with labor laws. 8. Avoiding common legal mistakes. When buying a dental practice without legal guidance, Buyers often make costly mistakes, such as overlooking hidden liabilities in the seller's financial records, signing contracts with unfavorable terms, failing to secure proper licenses before the transition, failing to set up a living trust to hold the practice. An attorney's experience helps you anticipate and avoid these pitfalls. Their proactive approach saves time, money, and stress during the acquisition process. Number 9, ensuring a smooth transition. A dental practice acquisition doesn't end with the signed paperwork. Transitioning operations seamlessly is crucial for patient retention and business continuity. An attorney can assist with post-sale concerns like transferring patient records, updating insurance contracts, and resolving disputes that might arise during the handover. Their involvement ensures that you can focus on running your new practice without unnecessary distractions. Conclusion: purchasing a dental practice is a significant career milestone, but it's also a complex legal process filled with potential pitfalls. From reviewing contracts and negotiating terms to ensuring regulatory compliance and managing staff transitions, an attorney provides invaluable support every step of the way. Hiring legal expertise protects your investment, avoids costly mistakes, and sets the foundation for a successful dental practice. Whether you're navigating the intricacies of office leases or ensuring a smooth transition, an attorney ensures you make informed decisions that align with your professional goals. Ready to embark on your journey of buying a dental practice? Don't go it alone. Consult a dental attorney to guide you and protect your interests. Start your practice on the right foot with the peace of mind from expert legal guidance.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of the 10-Minute Dental Marketing Podcast. Implementing just one of the tips you heard today will help your practice move one step closer towards dominating your local market. If you got more questions, or you're looking for recaps, show notes, and even more resources to help you grow your practice, check us out at TitanWebAgency.com.